fighter company. Let's see how we can take it out. It's actually quite simple. We will bring in 8 Dopplers and we'll just clear the base with 8 Dopplers. And we'll get minimal damage. All right, come over here. Clean out these guys. It really is quite simple. You can do a multitude of them in just a couple of minutes. Get rid of that. You don't even have to kill the fighter plane. Just ignore it. Stay away from it because he will distract you. Just kill the base. That's all we're doing. We're going around and killing the base. Just kill the components. That's it. We're almost done. That's it. It's just that easy, just that quick, and you get yourself a fighter part. Now maybe you didn't understand how that worked. So let's do it again. Just that easy, just that quick. Let's send in 8 Dopplers. And we're just going to pick it apart a piece at a time. And after we finish this one, we'll go back and we'll just see how much damage we got, which should be about 4 seconds per base. You can probably handle that, can't you? You probably can. Got rid of that. Come over here. You should have the fighter go through here. Maybe you already went through earlier. Just take your time, kill it, and you get very little damage. Take this guy out. Take this guy out. Stay away from the fighter. You don't need to deal with the fighter at all. Just ignore him. Stay away from him, because they'll tend to shoot at him and you don't want him to. Take away the power from the hunter and he won't do you much damage. Kill that, kill that. Kill the guns. One more. Ignore that. So literally you can do this in a couple of minutes. You can have everything you need. All right, look at that. We got another part. So let's go see. And you just continue doing that. Let's go over here and do this one. All right, let's enter our base and see how much damage we got. Very little. 3 seconds. Finish. 4 seconds. Finish. That's it. Okay, go and do likewise.